I love favorites videos. I love filming them and I love watching them. I'm so curious to see what made that product stand out of the thousands of other products in that same category. Hi, it's Molly and welcome back to my channel. Welcome here if it's your first time. In today's video, I am sharing all of my fall favorites. These are things that I have not been able to put down. I cannot stop using them. So I wanted to share those with you. Also, you might notice I have about 6 weeks of hair growth, of grays coming in. And the reason I did not use my root touch-up is because I am doing a brand new hair color today. I'm doing a whole new color for fall. I decided to go a shade deeper, so we are doing a light auburn today. I feel like fall is the time to just go a little bit deeper, a little bit richer, and I'm here for it. I am happy to say that this video is a partnership with Color & Co. And if you remember from the last video I did with them, I find out the color results at the same time as you. So it's kind of exciting if you're a beauty geek, I guess, like me. To me, trying out a new hair color, this is my World Series, this is my playoffs. I cannot get enough of this stuff. I feel like I went over a lot of the details in the last video, but quickly, Color & Co is a personalized hair color system from L'Oreal. If you are wondering how it's personalized, you do a 10-minute free consult on video chat, and a licensed colorist will look at your hair, look through what's on your hair. You tell them the results that you want, and then they will formulate it for you. You don't have to pick shades, you don't have to pick developer levels. They do all the work. And then you order the color. It's under $30 for everything that you need: gloves, developer, professional level color, everything. Deep conditioner, it all comes to you in this box, and then you just mix everything up according to the color-coded bottles. So it could not be easier. It comes with personalized instructions. So you're getting the ease of drugstore box color with the instructions and everything pre-measured, and then you're getting professional level color and results. And then the reason I was excited to try Color & Co again is because the gray coverage was amazing. I am 100% gray, as you can see, and last time I used around a level 8 blonde, and even with it being that light, I got total gray coverage. It was amazing. So this is a level 6-ish auburn, and I am so excited to see. One last thing with this, my hair has gotten super long. As you can see, I did my consult with Carrie. That's who I did my consult with last time. I felt like she was a friend I had known forever. So she had recommended that I actually do 2 boxes. So I ordered 2 boxes just because my hair is so long. I feel like that is everything, but if you have any other questions about the process, feel free to ask in the comments, okay? On to the first fall favorites. This is my first ever time sharing a candle on my channel. This is from the brand BeautyPie. You might remember I included them in my under eye corrector video, and their under eye corrector is fabulous. So this is a candle called I'm gonna say this wrong. Bahia De Miel? Bahia De Miel? I don't know. BeautyPie is a membership-based program, so it's $59 for the year or $10 a month for 3 months. I did the $10 a month for 3 months and I just stocked up. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I need to get the information out and I can't stop smelling it. So if you have a membership, everything is discounted. If you only want one product and you don't want a membership, you just pay the full retail. So the full retail on this candle would be $70. And if you have the membership, it's $20. So that's how they do their pricing. Honestly, I feel like it's a little confusing, and I love this brand. I love their products, so I'm not trying to be mean in any way. I just feel like the membership pricing is a little confusing. I wish that there could be some sort of a happy medium. I will say, if you are considering the membership, I have liked almost everything I've tried from them. Anyhow, let's focus on the candle. Okay, this candle, every single person that has walked into my home has said, Molly, what is that smell? It smells so good in here. And I run and grab this candle and I'm like, is it this smell? And they all say yes. So I feel like that alone is just such a good recommendation for this candle to have that many people compliment it. I'm a very paranoid candle user, I should say. Like, I clear off the coffee table. We have a glass coffee table. I make sure that there's nothing around. I light the candle and I let it burn for about an hour. I've burned it so many times and it doesn't even look like I've used it, which is crazy to me. And then I will stay in the room with the candle. Like I never leave it. You know how they say, do not leave this candle unattended? I do not leave it unattended. I'm that way with curling irons or flat irons, anything like that too. I'm so paranoid. I feel like I have many skills, and I would say that describing fragrances is not one of them. I am very bad at describing fragrances. So I actually went to the BeautyPie website and I wrote down all of the scents that are in this candle. The top notes are basil and licorice milk. I don't know. Middle, balsam fir, guaiac wood, I said that wrong, wild honey, and then the base notes are red juniper, which I had to Google. It's an eastern red cedar tree, vanilla, and musk. So hopefully that will help you get a better idea of the candle. It's woodsy, but it's got that vanilla and musk, and it just smells so rich. So rich. So once again, the candle is $20 if you have the BeautyPie membership. Okay, next up, this is the Pixi Body Treats Glycolic Body Wash. It has glycolic acid and aloe vera. It is 6.8 ounces and retails for $18. Because this has glycolic acid in it, it's amazing at killing bacteria that causes odor. So I actually do not use this all over. I just use a tiny dime size amount, and I use that on my underarms and then on the back of my neck that can get kind of sticky this time of year. And this makes me feel so fresh. The other thing, and this is why I will repurchase this forever and ever, please do not ever discontinue this, Pixi. Fellow 90s teens, do you remember Gap Grass? It was a perfume and body wash and shampoo that Gap made, and it was the weirdest, most amazing scent. It really smelled like cut grass. And then this, the first time I used it, I was like, what does this scent remind me of? And it's not exactly like Gap Grass, but they're in the same family. Like, they are at the same family reunion. It has that grassy scent. I cannot get enough of it. I cannot get enough of it. That's all I have to say. I love it. So if you also loved Gap Grass and you just want to be reminded of going to the mall with a pocket full of babysitting money, this is it. While we're still on body washes, this is the Bioderma, this is the Ultra Nourishing Anti-Irritation Cleansing Oil. And it's 33.8 ounces. This is giant. I have actually shared this before in my skincare favorites video. This is one of the best beauty deals in the game. It's giant, and this whole bottle retails for $20. It's just insane. So I actually, if you can see this bottle, I lent this to my fiance over the summer, who's now my husband, and I still married him, even though he gave the bottle back to me looking like this. I was like, what happened? Like, explain to me what happened in the shower that one time I get the bottle back and it looks like it. I don't even understand. It looks like a woolly mammoth, like, used it for a bath. I'm just confused. Anyhow. Okay, what I love about this, I wear sunscreen year round, and this is the absolute best at getting off all of your sunscreen. It just leaves my skin so soft, never tight. It never has that dry feeling. So I feel like it's especially great for this time of year when the temperatures are changing and my skin is just like, what are we doing? Like, I'm hot, I'm cold, I'm hot, I'm cold, I'm sticky. I have so much sunscreen on me. This is the stuff. It just gets everything off. It's also excellent, I think, for shaving. So it's just a hit. This is my second bottle and they last forever and ever and ever. So it is wonderful. This is another first. I've never shared a perfume before, and this fragrance is a showstopper. It's from Ellis, Brooklyn, and I feel like they're well known for their scent called Myth, but this scent is called Fawn. This smell, if you love neroli, I love neroli. The first time I used it, I could not stop smelling my wrists all day long. And that to me is the biggest sign that a perfume is a hit. It smells like late summer into fall in Maine. It just has that crunching leaves, afternoon at the beach, wrapped up in a blanket reading a book vibe. Like, it's perfect. I'm obsessed. It also has this magnetic cap that has the most satisfying click, which I know is not the most important thing. This is 1.7 ounces and it retails for $100. Yes, 100. It's a little bit more on the spendier side, but I will say I've never smelled anything like it. It's just stunning. And all of their scents are really unique, but this is the one to me that just feels like me. So I will be repurchasing. It's crazy, these favorites videos, I feel like they almost go too fast. We're almost done. And then we're gonna see the new hair color, which is exciting. Do you feel that way too when you're watching these videos? Like, I just don't want them to be over. The last things I wanna share before we see the new hair color are this blush and lip combination that I've been wearing nonstop. The blush is from Buxom and it's called Seychelles. Can you see how it has a little glow in the formula? It's the most gorgeous blush. I am always on the hunt for blushes that don't have a lot of red in the formula, that are more of a soft beige, because those look the most natural on me, and this one is just perfect. And I love how it adds that glow. I feel like it just makes my skin look so healthy. These retail for $23, these blushes. I absolutely love this shade. And then the lip is a tinted lip balm from Sephora called Lip Stories Balm in the shade Date Prep. I first used this over a year ago in another video, and I don't know why, whenever I open it, I have to put it on. This is the most beautiful rosy shade. What I love about this lip balm, you know how sometimes with lip balms, your lips feel more dry an hour after you use it? With these Sephora collection lip balms, my lips feel so hydrated for hours. The Date Prep to me is just the perfect shade of my lips, so I feel like it really enhances the color and it lasts for hours. My lips feel so good after. I just really love it. The packaging is cardboard, so it can be recycled except for the inner tube, which is plastic, but the rest is cardboard, and it retails for $9. So this is one that I have just been reaching for again and again and again. I just feel like it's the prettiest color combination and it's really soft for fall. That is everything for the favorites, so let's go rinse out the color and see our new hair. Our new hair, I say it, I say it like it's gonna be your hair too, but maybe it will be if you ask for something similar. All right, here we go. I just finished drying my hair and the color is gorgeous. I'm really curious to see this tomorrow in daylight. It's about 8:30 now, so I cannot wait for tomorrow. The color is really even from roots to end. My hair feels silky. It just is so, I have not seen myself in darker hair in years and it feels so wild. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow. I will check in with you. Here are the finished results. It's super close to the demo pic. I have washed this twice now and I was a little bit nervous because I washed my hair at the gym yesterday, and even though it's very nice Kiehl's shampoo and conditioner, it's not color safe and I still feel like the color is really locked in. I've never had auburn hair before, and honestly at first it took me a couple of days to adjust, and now I'm really loving this. I just feel like it's a really pretty, deep, rich color for fall. The color looks so healthy. Overall, I'm just like, wow. So let me show you the gray coverage. Once again, total gray coverage. And I feel like with this darker color, it's so much easier to see if little spots, you know, didn't get covered. And as you can see, every single area is covered. I am very happy that I went with the 2 boxes because I definitely needed it. I hadn't even really realized how long my hair had gotten, and it needed those 2 boxes. So keep that in mind if you also have long hair. And I want you to see the back as well, so I'm gonna zoom out for that. Let's go outside right now because I feel like this color also really pops in sunlight. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was fun for you too. Like I said, trying new hair colors to me is just one of the most exciting things. So this one was really, really cool because I have not done a major change like this in so long. And I hope that the fall favorites were fun too. I had so many that were stacking up and I feel like, I just feel so good now that I finally got to tell you about everything. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure that you're subscribed, turn your notifications on, and I will see you in the next video.